Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying power and connection because most joystick failures are simple. Check battery percentage or swap in fresh AA cells. If rechargeable, charge fully. Next, power cycle the controller. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts off, then press again to reconnect. Once done, swap the USB cable or try another USB port to rule out a cable fault and test the controller on a PC or second Xbox to determine if the issue is controller or console specific. Now address software and precision issues by updating firmware and calibrating, because drift often comes from settings or wear. Connect your controller and install any available updates through the Xbox Accessories app or console update. This can fix button mapping and responsiveness. Then calibrate sticks in Windows, open game controller settings, check axis range, and run the calibration wizard. While software works, physically clean the stick base with compressed air and a 70% isopropyl swab. This removes dust that, if calibration and updates don't fix the joystick, you move to hardware repair because worn potentiometers are common. Open the controller only if comfortable. Remove screws, detach ribbon cables, and replace the joystick module or potentiometer with a compatible part. Soldering may be required. Reassemble carefully and test after each reassembly step to isolate the fix. If you're unsure or problems persist, contact Xbox support or a certified repair service to avoid damaging the controller further. This saves time and prevents voiding warranties.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.